Hey guys! So today I'm back and I'm going to show you my first impressions of something that a lot of people have asked me about, and I think a lot of people who have ordered struggled with, and that's magnetic lashes. A lot of people who have ordered them can't get them to stay on, can't get them to stay at the base, and just in general find that they don't work that well. So I'm going to give them a try on camera here for the first time, and I'll let you know what I think and if it's something I would recommend. Okay, so this is what they look like here. These are the Ardell double demi wispy lashes, and how they recommend doing it, which is taking your top lash and getting that where you want it. Okay, this is going so well so far. Okay, so I'm gonna just stick that on there. Yeah, okay, that's pretty good right now. Then I'm gonna take, after all that I had the bottom lash. I'm gonna take the real upper lash. I'm gonna take the upper lash. Immediately I can see why people struggle, because they don't really go where you want them to go at all. Okay, so I can already see exactly why people are saying that they can't get it at the base of their lash, because so if you can see here, I'm having the exact same issue. They're stuck together, but they're like halfway down my eyelash. Okay, well on the bright side, they seem like when they stick together, they really stick together. At least you know they're not going to fall off if you can somehow manage this. God. You know, I just realized I'm using metal tweezers, so that's part of the reason it's not working, because I'm pulling the lash off because it's getting stuck to the metal. I'm gonna try and bend it a little. Oh my god, I don't know if I can do this. Maybe on somebody else I could. I'm gonna try holding the top lash with the tweezer really far out. You guys, I have never felt more useless doing makeup in my whole life. Okay, just to see what happens, let's try the other eye. Maybe it's a lucky eye. Really going well. Alright, I'm gonna try and put my chin up and do it. Easy to apply. I'm gonna need this one more try before I give up. Does that work? Is this working right now? Oh man. Okay. It sort of worked on the outside, not on the inside. That's one on. It's way too far out on the inside, and I think you can see that. I look so crazy. Easy to apply. What did I just do to myself? Perfect. I'm missing like a whole chunk under there. That's not connected. Okay guys, the final verdict for me on these is that they are too hard to apply. I don't think they look awful on if you're facing directly forward only, but if you look down, or if you were to look from the side, you can see it's not connected there. I think that it's a cool idea, but honestly, either I'm doing something wrong and I'm just not capable of this trend, or these are just too damn hard. So if you guys have tried these and you're able to do them, I want to know your secrets. So leave me a comment below if you do know a trick on how to make these things stay. And let me know, have you tried them? Do you love them? Do you hate them? So that was my experience with magnetic lashes, and if there's anything else really, if there's anything else you guys want to see me try that maybe you're too afraid to try, or you just want to see how it works on someone else before you try it on yourself, then let me know. And thanks for coming back, and I'll see you guys next time.